Hi everyone!
Hi!
So we are back from a 2-month break from YouTube. Obviously, Mr. C still had his Ants World channel going, and we've been taking a break because it's been lockdown, it's been work, it's been children.
Just general family stuff.
And lockdown. So we thought we'd come back and ease ourselves back into it with a little bit of a Christmas Vlogmas. So he's got his jumper.
Hence the Christmas jumper.
I've got my gingerbread house earrings. So there's not really much to fill you in on. Second lockdown was a bit boring. We were still working, kids were at school, so there was no homeschooling. We were just kind of coming home and eating chocolate.
Yep. Hence.
We look like Mr. and Mrs. Claus.
Yes.
But we have got some exciting news. We got an early Christmas present. Maggie! Maggie!
Hello everyone. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. It is really good.
Oh, thanks, Maggie.
So the kids are made up. We've only had her home for a couple of days. She's 8 weeks old. Say hello. Watch out for puppy spam overload. Every video is going to have a little Maggie montage. We introduced her to Rosie the ferret today. How did that go?
Yeah, that went well. They just sniffed each other. To be honest, Rosie wasn't that interested. And I was like, oh, I want to be best friends, but maybe when she's a little bit bigger and a bit more, you know, interaction with them both, they might be nice to have them both on leads, wouldn't it?
It would. So, today we are just going to do a little bit of wrapping. Wrap.
Wrap. Christmas wrapping.
Christmas wrapping. We're going to play with the puppy. And we might do some face masks because we've got a day to ourselves.
Yeah.
Here's an idea. Why don't I show you our Christmas decorations?